Hello everyone, it's me Julius. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell after you watch this video. First of all, I would like to thank everyone who watched my video Mask OFW story. I know that all of us has different stories to tell, especially in this time of pandemic. And 2020 has been a very tough year, especially for us OFWs. For today's video, we're gonna talk about the trending copper mask. Well, copper masks are becoming increasingly popular these days. It's not because most artistas are using this, but also due to its antimicrobial claims. Well, we know that copper has its antimicrobial or antiviral properties, but I think that these claims are not proven yet because it's not clear how much copper are being used in this mask. So we're gonna unbox this brand of copper mask, NN Ninja. So it says the #1 best-selling copper mask brand, helps kill 99% of germs. So let's see what's inside this box. So it says here, strong antimicrobial layer, helps kill 99% of germs, superior bacteria exterminator effect, comfortable respiration, complete prevention of saliva droplets, helps prevent dermatitis and allergies, harmless to humans. So what's included in the box? 1 piece antimicrobial copper mask film, 10 pieces reusable non-woven filter, 2 pieces seal sticker, 8 pieces colored copper mask logo, black, red, green, and blue, 2 pieces elastic string. So it says it's good for 30 days. So let's open the box.
So it's sealed inside. So there's the mask, the filters, the stickers, and the string. So let's open this. So this is the copper mask. It's soft actually. It doesn't have any smell. Then we have the filters, 10 pieces of filters, which is good for 30 days. So it's not gonna hold the filter because you will contaminate. Then the stickers, so it has red, green, and blue and black stickers. And then these stickers are used to seal the mask. Then we have the string. So let's gonna assemble this. So first is you need to fold the mask into half and make sure it's perfectly aligned. So this is the top part and this is the bottom part. All we have to do is to secure it with a sticker. So get the sticker, this one. There's actually a line between them, so you will just have to follow those lines. That line pala. Mahirap siya. Mahirap rin natin. So next, you're gonna stick the stickers on the sides of the mask, but you can actually create your own style. Here they said there's the original style, then army style, wildcats, and you can actually create your own style and how you express yourself with your mask. But for me, I think I'll just use first the black ones on both sides. Then next, we have to place the filter inside the copper mask. So we're gonna get one filter. They said actually you can wash the filter twice, so they have 10 filters inside, so that's why you can use them for 30 days. Then finally, we will put the elastic string on both sides and adjust according to your preference. And we're good to go. Let's gonna try this.
Well, like I've said, while copper is antimicrobial, it doesn't automatically mean you're safe. I think why they are making this kind of mask is that if you put on your hands to a regular mask, the virus will end up to your hands, then it will spread to your mouth, to your eyes, and this antimicrobial mask can lessen those risks. At dahil dyan, charot. That being said, you should feel comfortable wearing your face mask with or without copper material, as long as it covers your nose and your mouth and you secure it tightly on your face. This face mask will not stop you from breathing airborne droplets, but if you are infected, it may prevent you from exhaling infectious droplets around you. I've been masking, or we've been masking a lot than normal, and mask became instantly a way of self-expression. So regardless of what mask you end up using or buying, it is crucial that you have to wash it or dispose it after use. Your mask can accumulate germs on the inside or outside part of it after you worn it in the public places, but you may also contaminate it when you handle it with your dirty hands. The focus should not be on the attractive pattern that stand out, but rather on the protective capabilities. Make sure that the purpose of the mask is served rather than making a fashion statement. Well, thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated on my next videos. Thank you so much once again. Let's all be safe.